In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a refund on Shopify. By the end, you'll feel confident processing both full and partial refunds while keeping your records and customers up to date. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with the correct store and that you know which order needs attention. First, log into your Shopify admin. This is your store's headquarters where all orders, customers, and payments are managed. If you manage multiple stores, confirm you're in the right one since refunds are tied to the specific store's payment gateway. Next, head to Orders in the left sidebar. This page shows every sale in one place. If you have a lot of orders, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the one you need by order number, customer name, or date. Open the order you want to refund by clicking it. Take a moment to review the order details, the items purchased, quantities, totals, and the payment status. It's a good idea to confirm what the customer is returning or what needs to be credited so the refund matches exactly. Now click the refund button at the top right of the order page. This opens the refund screen where you'll set the details. If you don't see the button, double check the order's payment status or whether a refund was already processed. Enter the quantity to refund for each product. To issue a full refund, set the quantity to match the original purchase. For a partial refund, adjust the quantities only for the items being returned or credited. Shopify will calculate the refund amount based on the items and quantities you enter, including applicable taxes. Under Reason for Refund, select a reason. Choosing an accurate reason helps with internal reporting and provides context in case you need to reference this refund later. If the exact situation isn't listed, choose the closest match so your records stay consistent. Check. Send a notification to the customer. This sends an email letting them know a refund was issued and the amount they can expect. Clear communication reduces follow-up questions and sets expectations for timing, which is especially helpful during busy periods. Finally, click Refund to confirm. Shopify will submit the refund through your payment provider. Processing times vary by payment method, but most customers see funds within a few business days. You'll see the refund recorded on the order timeline, and your reports will update accordingly. That's it. Log in, go to Orders, open the order, click Refund, set the quantities, choose a reason, notify the customer, and confirm. Take a moment to review the details before you finalize, and you'll keep both your accounting and customer experience smooth and professional.